Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me for today's power review. This is where I give you everything you need to know about a product in under 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. So today's power review is going to be on the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. So these are color correcting self-tan drops that you can add to your favorite moisturizer, serum, or oil that gives you a completely customizable self-tan that you can integrate into your existing skincare routine. They come in 3 different shades and they feature different color correcting actives in each. So the peach will give you a light sun-kissed glow and it has brightening, illuminating, and anti-inflammatory color correcting actives. The green will give you a medium golden tan with anti-redness, soothing, and antioxidant color correcting actives. And the violet will give you a dark bronze tan that has color correcting actives that are anti-sallow, neutralize orange tones, and increase clarity and radiance. These drops can be used on both your body and your face. They're travel friendly, they're 100% vegan, they're cruelty free, and they're organic. You get 1.01 fluid ounces in this product and it retails for $29. So to use, you add 2 to 12 self-tan drops to your moisturizer, mix together and apply to the skin. 2 to 4 drops will give you a sun-kissed tan, 6 to 8 will give you a golden tan, and 10 to 12 drops will give you a bronze tan. Make sure you wash your hands after the application and your glow will develop in 4 to 6 hours. I took a picture of my first time using this. I don't know specifically how many drops I used. It was kind of hard to determine how many drops. They all kind of like came out at once, but I used a lot and I'll show you how much I used because I took a picture of the bottle afterwards. So I feel like this was a good amount of drops that I used and I only did one leg for this because I wanted to compare the two and see how much color it gave me. So with one leg I used that much product and I will put a picture of how it came out. So you can teeny tiny see a difference. It's so subtle, it's so gradual. Oh, and by the way, I am using the dark self-tanning drops, so that is key. I'm using the darkest ones that you can get. So the next day I used some more. I show a picture of how much I used, how much I have left. So day 2, you could see that I have a lot more color and I can tell that it was, you know, it's more of a gradual tan. I get that. So it is buildable. But for me personally, I only would use this as a extender of the tan that I already had. So if you want something that helps to extend your self-tan, then I think this is great. I recommend it for that. I also recommend it for someone who is very fair skinned or someone who just wants a very subtle tan to begin with. But given that you use so much product with, I feel like, not that much payoff, I wouldn't recommend this as your main self-tanner, you know, because you would just run through it so fast. And not only that, it is a pricier item at $29. So do I think that you can get a deep dark tan with this product? Yes. Do I think that you're going to use the whole bottle trying to do that? Yes. So that is the major con for me. So I think that it is a great concept, but for the price and for how much product that I have to use to get the tan that I want, I would never be able to use this as my sole tanning product. So that's going to do it for today's power review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave for more power reviews in the future, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!